What's up, guys? And in today's video, we're gonna be hunting apparently wolves, cause we got a stinking wolf right there, and a stinking wolf right there, a deer right over there. So yeah, smoking him,
not legal game.
eating him for dinner.
Must give you a warning.
And then I'm gonna try to snipe this goofy looking deer that's running like right toward me. I'm gonna try to get all three of these today. Yo! That was top 5 greatest shots of all time. That thing's going down. There's me, guys. Did you see me in the background there? Yo! It's a doe, but why am I going this? Top 5 greatest shots of all time right there, guys. Of my entire time playing this game. There's that stinking other goofy looking wolf. Try to snipe him. I was sniped. Missed! I let him way too much. I don't know what I was thinking. That thing's gonna attack me. 100% gonna attack me. I'm gonna wait for the best shot you can get. Look at that goofy looking thing. Shoot your gun! Yo! Oh my goodness. I wasn't close to dying. You can see in the bottom, what would it be for you guys? Left corner? My little character. Yeah, look at the top of his head. It's kind of flat, you know? Holy, yes. So, from his flat head to where his head would usually be is how much health I lost compared to my whole body. So, not that much. Okay, something goofy happened to this deer. By the way, I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. You know. Okay, yeah, he kind of face planted in the snow, but head first, butt's hanging in a bush. Okay, this might actually be a heavy doe. You never know. Probably, I would consider 130 as a big doe, medium size. But today I haven't got anything over like 120, so 140. Okay, I'll take it. 70 yards. That was a snipe, though. Top 5, maybe top 8. I don't know. I've had a lot of good shots. I'm not a good shot. I missed like 30-40% of the time. Yeah, just saying. On my first shot, but on my second shot when the deer's running, I have like a 80% shot of missing, so. Yep, 140-pound doe. I'll take it. And that is going to be it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.